Hey everyone, Superman Florida here. My YouTube page is now going to be called Model Man Frank. The reason for the change is that I am a model person that likes to build all types of different models. I like working with my hands and building scale models of every types: plastic, foam board, wood, balsa wood, plastic, as I said before, resin, cars, airplanes, trucks, tanks, boats, submarines, and so I'm looking forward to sharing more of the videos and getting a little bit more into this thing with the YouTube page. So I hope you guys will like and share. Please comment if you see anything that maybe I missed. Please, by all means, just shoot me, comment on the page below, on the comment section below, and please be respectful when leaving your comments. I look forward to sharing my videos with you and hope you guys enjoy.